Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine.
I feel like it's a good time for me to just kind of talk about what I've been going through recently.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but again.
I've just been waking up so tired and hungry, so we are making pho this morning. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha, some Hoisin sauce. Now let's taste the broth first. Not too shabby. So this is supposed to be the only instant pho brand that uses real meat. So we will see how good it tastes. I'm really excited because pho is one of my favorite foods. I also want to put some jalapenos. I made these jalapenos in my last video if you want to see how I make it. It tastes really good with any noodle soups. Bon appetit! It's pretty good. It's very tender. I'm feeling a little bit more anxious today, and I thought that it was because it's been so gloomy, but I'm realizing now that it's because Mother Nature is paying me a visit next week. I feel like it's a good time for me to just kind of talk about what I've been going through recently and my diagnosis and everything. So I guess we should start from the beginning. I never really dealt with anxiety growing up, but I started getting it when I was about 20, maybe 24, 25. It was at the same time that I started working in the city and starting a new job, kind of branching out and making new friends. So I was going through major transitions in my life, and I thought the anxiety was from that. Basically, the past year, it has gotten so much worse. I moved to California a year and a half ago, and my anxiety and my depression has just been through the roof. I wasn't really sure what was going on. I wasn't sure what to do about it, but it just made me not want to do things that I loved anymore. And I guess I noticed that the week before my period, I would always be a little bit more anxious and a little bit more tired than usual. So it kind of just talked to my doctor about it, and I was diagnosed with something called premenstrual dysphoric disorder, or PMDD. Basically what it is PMS on freaking steroids. That's what everyone calls it. It's so crazy because I would think about my life and there was nothing in my life that I really wanted to change. Everything was good. I was really happy with my family. I was happy with the move, happy with my friends, and happy with my relationships. And I just felt really down all the time, and I was just a lot more irritable. I posted this on Instagram the other day, and it was the first time that I came out saying anything about my PMDD. I'm very open about my anxiety and my depression. I never presented the real cause of it because I was kind of afraid of what people would think. I'm not really sure where I'm headed, but I just feel like I should come out and speak about it. But at the same time, I'm still figuring things out for myself and how I feel. I don't know.
담담하게 넌 무뚝뚝한 말투로 미안하고 고마웠다.
So the girl was color swatching me and she just ended up doing all of my foundation. Wow, it looks so good.
놓지는 못해 울어버리면 현실이 될까봐 참아보지만 같은 공간 속
I made some natto rice with an egg and some furikake. This is my favorite way to eat it. If you're unfamiliar with natto, it's actually fermented soybeans. I like to mix it all up and then just eat it like that. So it's kind of like fried rice. Not bad. I just want to show you guys my little haul from Sephora. I needed a new foundation. I basically asked for something that was a little bit more lightweight. I don't like foundation that is way too heavy, but I also need like medium coverage. She put it on me yesterday and it actually looked really, really good. The second thing I really needed was my Laneige Cream Skin Moisturizing Toner. The reason I ran out of this so quick is because I apply multiple layers onto my skin for that like glass skin look, which I feel like has tremendously changed my skin. Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I've heard really good things about this. I didn't realize that it was gonna be this small. This is the size of my Kosas and this is the size of my Tarte. It's quite a big difference. I just feel like I don't want to waste it because there's so little. Like, look how tiny this is. I really want to try this and support my girl. Obviously, I love Selena. Apparently this stuff is really, really pigmented. You just need one little drop. I'm scared. Did that? Just one? I feel like that's a lot already. And I'm just gonna blend it in. Wow, I think I put too much. I really think I did. I need to get like a brush or something. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work because I look like a clown. Blend. Probably should have used like half the amount that I did. This color is really pretty though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do I do? I did not need that much. Let's see if I could fix this. Okay, that looks a lot better, I think. Charlie's down here. Let me show you guys. This is how he's joining me right now. I just want to separate some time out of the end of this video to just talk about my PMDD. I feel like when I chatted with you guys earlier in the vlog, I definitely wasn't in the right headspace. When I'm in that heightened state of anxiety for a while, I can't really get my thoughts straight. I just don't think I really describe things well, so I kind of want to do that. Basically, PMDD is a mood disorder that affects women that are in the reproductive age, and it usually occurs during the luteal phase, and I think it is actually a reaction or sensitivity to fluctuating hormones. Usually during the luteal phase, which is about 7 days to 14 days prior to your period, you are feeling all these types of things. For me, it involves a lot of anxiety, depression. I start feeling like I do not want to do the things that I used to find meaningful or fun to me. It makes me want to distance myself from a lot of people. It makes me very unmotivated and just I don't want to say lazy because I don't feel like I'm lazy. I just feel like I can't bring myself to do the things that I want to be and should be doing. And people that are experiencing PMDD are usually at a higher risk of suicide. The crazy thing is 5 to 10% of women in the reproductive age are diagnosed, but 90% of those women are misdiagnosed or undiagnosed. So I feel like there's so many women that might be going through this, but they don't know what it is, or some doctors just don't take it seriously. I've just been doing a lot of research and reading on the topic because I feel like it helps me, and I encourage you to do so as well if you're feeling any of these symptoms. And I also encourage you to talk to a doctor. I was undiagnosed for over 3 years. I was dealing with all this stuff by myself and I didn't know what was going on. I just felt crazy. I thought it was just me, but matter of fact, a lot of other people are dealing with it. I think that the main thing that could help is 1, talking to a therapist, and 2, finding a doctor that will listen and understand and help you in the ways that they can. At least that's what's been working for me, and I'm still at the start of my journey, so I'm still learning ways that I can manage it, but I will continue sharing things that I feel like were helpful to me. I feel like that's all I can handle for today. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys next time.